everyone. Oh boy, I get to show you some things came in the mail. I've been waiting for these. This is the Rebs Fab Stash package came. I couldn't help myself, I did open it, but I'll show you everything in here, okay? This is some quarters, fat quarters that I got on the Fat Quarter Frenzy. I think it was 2 weeks ago. They are so, let me show you. They are so gorgeous. And they all come wrapped in these cute little bags. And I think that these were not randos. These are a grouping of fat quarters. And I think they run around $3 or $3.50 per. And these are some fabrics from, see if I can, Flutter. It's a grouping called Flutter. And it's 9 fat quarters. And let's see if I can find a name on one of them. Here's some. Wyndham Fabrics, Flutter. Oh boy, here's some more. Oh, this one's Benartex. Well, maybe they aren't the same family, but they sure look like they belong together. Look at those. They're very beautiful. And see, this was the first one that got my eye when we were looking at fat quarters. Isn't that pretty? I wish I could tell what it was from. Here's another one. Isn't that pretty? See, it goes really well with this one. And then this one. And then the other teal one, this one. You'd almost think they were a group, wouldn't you? And then there was one more pink. And this one is a Nancy Halverson for Benartex. Wander Lane. Isn't that beautiful? I wonder what I'm going to come up with for this grouping. My goodness, I've got some really beautiful fat quarter bundles that I have gotten from not Fat Quarter Shop, but from Rebs Fab Stash. Christy, oh, Rebs, gosh, that's hard to say, Christy. Now, Christy I can do. It's that Rebs Fab Stash. That's hard to say. So, these were gorgeous. These are 2 of these in the lighter green. 2 of these in this beautiful pale pinky heading towards peach, but not quite. 2 of the blue green combos with butterflies in them. I'm not really a butterfly nut, but you know, they are very pretty. And then 2 in the teal flowers with the coral centers. And they feel nice. They have a lovely hand. And then this is, man, that feels even better. What is that? This one is Benartex Wander Lane. Wander Lane. So a couple of them were Wander Lane and another one was something else, but those are just gorgeous. So what can I do with 9 fat quarters? And I've got enough big quilts cooking, I think, you know. I got to show you, I got another one that came in the mail in this other package. And I don't know what, I just have to stop getting those. I have to stop buying more. I mean, I am going to be busy until next Christmas getting it all done. So, I mean, not this Christmas, the following, 26. But anyway, always have to have a few things in your stash, right? That you just want to pet. Okay, so that's my Rebs Fab Stash bundle. And I took the paper out, so I'm sorry I couldn't tell you how much I paid for them. But they were on a good sale, and it was fun because when they're doing that fat quarter frenzy, you have to be on the keyboard and be ready to type in the name and the number or the whatever the code is for that, and then you get it. And she only has a limited number of them, so it's sort of like fun, you know. Okay, so let's open this one. This is from Keepsake Quilting in North Carolina. I didn't know they were from there. Okay, well, let's open this up. I'm using the craft scissors. We'll get that open. This is the Lammy, I think it's pretty much, I'm pretty sure it's the Lamb Block of the Month. Is it? Yes, it is. It's called Woolly Whims Block of the Month, Month 1. Oh, look how cute this, oh, I am glad that I'm getting this. This was, they had discounted it quite steeply, and so I grabbed it. And so it looks like they're sending us the whole pattern, but just sending the little bits of fabric every month. Oh, here, let me hold it up for you to see. Do you see that? It's running me right at about $15, $14.98 per month, plus shipping. And let's see here. Of course they don't give us a... Oh, wait a minute. There is something in here. Okay, it is Woolly Whims. Doggone it. They just... Let me see what I put in my record book. I was going to have that all ready, too. Well, let me come up with that number, and then I'll get back to you here on this video. So we got Woolly Whims from Keepsake, which are just really beautiful blocks. And then the corner blocks have little sheep in them. They're just the top and the two at the bottom. So we ought to be able to knock this out pretty quickly. And this one is a smaller one. It is, oh, these fabrics are nice. Look at that. This sort of reminds me of this other stuff that I just opened. It's sort of the same colorway, only it has little sheep in it. Let's hold that up and see if we have some sheep ones. Some background and some black background, and then gray swirlies, little beige flowers, green grid, gray stems. Oh, this one's sort of cute. It's little lammies. And here's a beige, peach. And these fabrics are from Lamb Farm Designs Woolly Whims. Little sheepies. So apparently on the fabrics, there are 3 fabrics that have sheep. The orange, the beige, and the gray. And then the rest are flowers and little swirls and leaves. This is going to be so pretty. Oh, this is nice. Month 1. I'll show you what month 1 looks like. It's a basic star. I've been doing a lot of those. I did a lot of those in my Daisy Lane quilt and my Going to Grandmother's House quilt. And what else are we working on that has stars like that? Then here it shows us how to do the little lamb. They're cute. I'm sure they're still available at Keepsake. In fact, I'm pretty sure they are. Well, no, I couldn't swear to it. You have to look for that. But there it gives us all of the different months instructions, and they are colored. I like that. But it's only given us the first month's fabric. Oh boy, a new project. Yoo-hoo! Let's see here. Oh, that is so pretty. You know, this would be the kind of a quilt that we could do a second one and using fat quarters with it, you know? Wouldn't be hard to do. In fact, we could do just 3 of the blocks with the lambs on them and make those into table runners. I know the grandchildren would like that with little lambs. And I have a sort of a tendency to call the grandchildren my little lammies. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, these are really, really cute. So this is a 12-month project. There's the finishing. It just shows it just like the, you know, it shows that. And I think that I ordered the backing, maybe? Because this doesn't show the borders on it, does it? Oh yes, it shows the borders. So borders will come. Good. All right then, that's my excitement. Thanks for sharing it with me. Let me know what you're starting. Let me know how many you've started that you can't get on and get started with. Get going on. Oh gosh, I'm out of control. Okay, so that's the end. We'll get this started. It's in the hopper. It's got its own pizza box, and we are ready to roll. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.